And we're back for the last time with the 2002 Acura MDX Touring, working on shift solenoids, pressure switches, and etc. Now I'm going to show you the hardest to get to. Well, I guess if you don't consider removing that starter, a big deal for the A and C, which is really not, just 2 bolts and it slides to the left. We have the last 2 pieces. They are duplicates of the A and C shift solenoids, actually the same exact numbers, but these are for the torque converter clutch solenoid valves. Once again, there's a brown one, there is a black one, and they are housed right next to each other. As you can see here, torque converter clutch solenoid valve, 28500 P6H013 and 28400 P6H013. To get to them, you will have to take out the battery tray, as well as drain the radiator and remove the lower radiator hose. So you'll see that I have done that, and just behind this hose and the wire harness, you can barely make out the 2 solenoids, valves A and C again. But this time they are for the torque converter. So, same deal, you take the bolt off that's on the left of each of them. There's one, there's the other. You pop them out with a flathead screwdriver. You pop in your new ones, reassemble. Alright, good luck everyone.